In this video, let's work on the delete. On delete, we want to display a nice alert here, and on OK, we want to delete it directly, but using an API call. So for that, we'll have to go back and we'll have to add an API call inside our book controller. So we will add an HTTP delete here, and this will be public iActionResult delete. Here we'll be getting an ID that we have to delete. We'll say variable book from DB is equal to _db dot book dot first dot default, and we can say u goes to u dot id is equal to id. Now right here it is always good to be consistent, so we will do async and it will be task of iActionResult, and we will do await here, and we have the to list async. We'll have to do a control dot to include entity framework core. First dot default, we have the async method in here, so we'll do control dot, oops, there we go, and we'll use await. We have async task of iActionResult. Then we'll check here if book from DB is equal to null. In this case, we will return JSON and we'll return new. This time we want to make sure success is false because we did not receive any book, comma, will also display a message, error while deleting. If we found that book, we'll say _db dot book dot remove, and we'll say await _db dot save changes asynchronous. Then we will return back the JSON. This time we'll have a new and success will be true, and we'll have a message which will be delete successful. So this looks good. Here we are getting an error. Let's do a control dot. Whoops, and that is because we did not pass the object that we had to remove, which is book from DB. Perfect, so the delete method looks good. All we have to do is inside the JavaScript, we need to add a function to delete. Let's do that in the next video.